it's Mahakpreet Singh from maxandroidapps.com, and now today I will give you the review of aux cable selfie stick. After a long time I am doing a review, so let's see how it goes. Let me unbox it. Here's all the bill and etc. The stick can be used for iPhones, Windows phones and Android phones, means all three phones. Let me unbox it. Just wait a minute. So just a small package. Let me clear it. Just a small package, and just a small stick it is. Just a small. See, it's easy to take with you when you travel along the cities. So easy. Just it can fit in your pocket, and it can be used to click awesome selfies. So now let me tell you how to use it. Just let me bring my phone. So here's my phone, Samsung Galaxy Note 2. Just adjust it here like this and tight it like this. Okay, now put this aux cable in the microphone. Now just first open your camera like this and put on the settings button here, or it may be anywhere else in your and use the volume key as here it is the zoom key, but you have to change it. Click on it and set on the camera key. See, now here's a button, camera button. You can see here's a button, the camera made on the selfie stick. Now you can extend it how much you want it. Just extend it. You can extend it. Its size is this much, but you can take the bigger selfie stick. You can click the photos with it just by pressing the button. I will press this button and the photo will be clicked. I pressed and the photo is clicked, and the photo is clicked. You can see it's an awesome selfie stick. It can extend more, but I'm not extending it right now. Okay, so it's an awesome product. If you all want to buy, the link will be in the description. The discounted link will be in the description. So guys, thank you for watching. Hope you all liked it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and keep visiting maxandroidapps.com. Thank you guys for visiting the YouTube channel. Please subscribe.